So I'm going to show you one of the plate building methods that I use to help me lose 70 pounds and keep it off all these years with no calorie counting, and I'm going to show you why it's so effective. So you can find more information in my Plantifully Lean Weight Loss Guide and Cookbook, which is now available in stores. It's also on Amazon. The link is in my bio. But I basically teach you everything you need to know and then give you tons of my most popular delicious recipes. First things first, I eat a plant-based diet. Now you can apply this to any diet that you eat because I'm going to show you exactly how it works. But I do eat a plant-based diet. So the plate I'm going to talk about today is my favorite one. It's called the 50-50 plate. And that is simply where you take a plate, any size plate. This isn't about the size plate that you use. This is about how you divide your food and the order that you eat it in. So any size plate. And what you want to do to make the 50-50 plate is divide it visually in half and fill one side full of non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, mushrooms, onions, any non-starchy vegetable that you love. And then on the other side, fill it with the rest of your food. In my case, it would be my starch of choice: potatoes, beans, corn, legumes, anything like that. Then you want to start by eating your non-starchy vegetables first. And the reason is because non-starchy vegetables are the highest in nutrition and the lowest in calories. They're also full of water, fiber, and bulk, which help trigger satiety in your brain. So you want to fill up on the lowest calorie dense foods first and then move to the higher calorie side of your plate. And if you do this at every single meal, even breakfast, you should start seeing weight loss. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't like to eat veggies at breakfast, that's okay. Fill it with your fruit of choice, like berries, watermelon, oranges, grapes, anything that you like. And that still works because fruit is still very low in calorie density. It's full of water, fiber, bulk, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. It's an excellent choice for you at breakfast if you don't want to have non-starchy vegetables. They are higher in calories than non-starchy vegetables, so the best choice is, of course, non-starchy vegetables, but the choice is yours at breakfast. Now, this is why it is so effective. So let's take this plate of potatoes, for example. So I have a plate of some steamed potatoes that I've kind of mashed up and topped with some of my cheese sauce. And the recipe for that is also in my weight loss guide and cookbook. So this plate has 600 calories in total. So if I want to apply the 50-50 method to this, all I'm going to do is remove half of the potatoes and cheese sauce and replace it with non-starchy vegetables. So because you have removed half of the potatoes, that has cut the calories in half down to 300 calories. And I have replaced it with about 100 calories of steamed broccoli. So now the new total for my plate is 400 calories. But guys, this is the kicker. I am still eating the same volume of food, if not more, for less calories. So all this plate is doing is helping you reduce the amount of calories that you're eating without reducing the amount of food that you get to eat. This is an excellent method to help you move through any of those tricky, stubborn plateaus. On my weight loss journey, I hit tons of plateaus, and the last one was the most difficult. So I was really good about the 50-50 plate. I was consistent at every single meal. If I wanted seconds or thirds, I would get myself seconds or thirds, but I would serve myself the exact same way and always start with my non-starchy vegetables first. And what happens is you fill up on those lower calorie dense foods. Just be consistent with it. And again, don't worry about what size plate you should be using because everybody is different. I am a petite person and I'm gonna eat less than somebody who's a lot taller or more active than I am. So you listen to your appetite, you eat when you're hungry, but always use the 50-50 plate. So remember to have fun and keep this journey about health, not just about the skinny. It's not just about being a certain size. It really, when you focus on your health and you start focusing on how to love yourself through good nutrition and movement, a healthy weight just becomes the natural byproduct of that journey.